Before I recorded this video, I put up a poll on Instagram to see if students have booked their appointment or not. And clearly, more than half of the students who took part in the poll are waiting to book an appointment. VFS and the German embassy probably didn't predict the huge surge in students who want to move to Germany for their studies, and that's why they are struggling to provide slots for everyone. So as a student whose classes are going to start in October, what can you do? I'm going to list a few things which may or may not solve your problem because appointment slots are not in your hand or mine. These might be a little helpful depending on your situation and especially if you're doing the entire process alone. I mentioned this in a previous video, but I'm saying it again. Visa slots black mein mat lena. Basically, don't go to these shady agents to buy these slots because they will ask for an absurd amount of money, or it might just be fake and you will lose all your money. Please only go to the VFS official website to check and book the slots. Also, some students are contacting the Indian embassy in Germany. Please don't do that. It's not going to help your visa process in any way. Hypothetically, let's take a worst case scenario. You get an appointment very late. For example, 29 September. In such extreme cases, I feel you should talk to a university now and talk about two things. First, explain to them the visa situation in India. You can attach screenshots from VFS website to show that there are literally no slots available and it's going to take some time to even submit your documents. Second, ask them about your final enrollment date. This is the date after which your admission is deferred, so you can contact your university to ask what is the date for your course. Usually it is 2 weeks after your classes start, so somewhere near the end of October. The university might give you an extension or defer your admission to the next intake or maybe something else, but you will only know this when you email them. I talked about this in a previous video where I said that even though you have not booked your appointment, you should make sure that all your documents are in proper order. Especially if you have to pay tuition fees, you either need your first year fees receipt completely paid, or your education loan disbursement letter, or an unblocked deposit added on top of your blocked account amount. Your motivation letter, your academic documents, your admit letter, make sure all these things are in proper order, and remember you have to carry in total 3 sets. One of original documents and 2 copies of the same. Everything else is already mentioned in the official visa checklist, it's in the description. For everyone who's going to submit their visa documents in September, you have to update your blocked account to the new amount. If you don't know, the blocked account amount has increased from 11,208 euros to 11,904 euros from September onwards. This is applicable for all students who are going for this winter semester, but if you have already submitted your visa documents or have already received your visa, you don't have to worry. But if you haven't submitted your visa documents, please update to the newer amount. If you have already put money in your blocked account, you just have to contact your blocked account provider and add the extra money on top of it. If you have opened it with Expatrio, the entire process is quite simple as everything is online. Expatrio is easily one of the best options out there and we have been working with them for a very long time. We recommend Expatrio to all of our students as it provides a safe, secure and a trustworthy blocked account, and its value package provides a lot of amazing benefits. First, you get a 69 euro cashback on your blocked account setup fee. Second, you get a free incoming travel health insurance for your visa, which is worth up to 95 euros. Third, you get up to 90 euros cashback with the TK Flex health insurance. Fourth, free digital student Isaac card worth up to 15 euros. And finally, a free German bank account for your local banking and instant blocked account payouts. So if you want to open your blocked account with Expatrio, go to the link in the description. As for the visa slots, there's nothing really you can do as students and you just have to check slots and book them as soon as possible. If you have any doubts, comment below and all the best for your visa.